Do you feel constantly on edge? Heart racing, mind overthinking, body tense, even when nothing dangerous is happening? That's not weakness. That's your nervous system stuck in survival mode. In this video, you'll learn how to calm your nervous system naturally using science-backed techniques explained in simple language. Let's understand what's happening inside your brain and how to reset it. What is the nervous system? Your nervous system controls stress response, heart rate, breathing, emotions, energy levels. It has two main modes: sympathetic mode, fight or flight, alert, stressed, reactive, and parasympathetic mode, rest and digest, calm, safe, regulated. If you've been stressed for a long time, your body may stay in sympathetic mode, and that creates anxiety, irritability, overthinking, and exhaustion. Why your nervous system won't calm down. Chronic stress, trauma, overwork, and emotional pressure can keep the stress system activated. The amygdala keeps scanning for danger. Cortisol stays elevated. Your body prepares for a threat that never comes. Over time, this becomes your normal, but you can retrain it. 7 science-backed ways to calm your nervous system. Number 1, slow, deep breathing, immediate reset. Breathing is directly connected to your nervous system. Try this. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4 seconds, exhale for 6 to 8 seconds. Longer exhales activate the parasympathetic system. Your brain receives the message, "We are safe." Number 2, cold water on your face. Splashing cold water or holding a cool compress on your face activates the vagus nerve. This can quickly reduce heart rate and stress signals. It's a simple biological reset. Number 3, reduce overstimulation. Constant notifications, noise, screens, information overload. Your brain never rests. Try 30 minutes without your phone. Lower lighting in the evening. Quiet walks without headphones. Less stimulation equals less stress signaling. Number 4, move your body. Stress chemicals build up when you don't move. Light exercise, stretching, or walking helps metabolize cortisol. You don't need intense workouts. Consistency matters more than intensity. Number 5, safe social connection. Your nervous system calms in the presence of safety. Talking to someone who feels safe and supportive reduces stress activation. Isolation keeps the system alert. Connection tells your brain, "I'm not alone." Number 6, grounding techniques. When overthinking takes over, return to the present. Try the 5-4-3-2-1 method. 5 things you see, 4 things you feel, 3 things you hear, 2 things you smell, 1 thing you taste. Grounding interrupts anxiety loops. Number 7, set boundaries. If your stress is constant, your environment may be overwhelming you. Saying no, reducing commitments, protecting your time. Boundaries are not selfish. They are nervous system care. Why consistency is key. Calming the nervous system is not a one-time fix. It's repetition. Each small act of safety rewires your brain. Over time, the amygdala becomes less reactive. Cortisol stabilizes. You feel more balanced. Signs your nervous system is healing. You react less intensely. Your sleep improves. Your thoughts slow down. You feel moments of calm. Your body feels lighter. Healing feels subtle at first, but it builds. To summarize, chronic stress keeps the nervous system in survival mode. Breathwork activates the parasympathetic. Movement reduces stress hormones. Grounding interrupts anxiety. Boundaries create long-term regulation. You are not broken. Your nervous system is protecting you, and with the right tools, you can teach it safety again. If this video helped you, like the video, Subscribe to PsycAcademy for psychology and brain science. Comment, which technique will you try today? Your calm is trainable.